Okay, Tim Sherman here, Chair of English and Linguistics, to come to you from my bunker of a basement. I usually cover up with a virtual background. I want to help you guys find ELEs for next term or any term. The first thing you're going to do is go to Newport, and for faculty, you're going to go under faculty. I guess for students, you're going to go under student, and that's where you're going to find class and course lookup right here. So you're going to search class schedule. And you're going to first choose spring term under search by term, submit. And the first block of to decide here is the subject area, your discipline, what have you. And if you're interested in just getting this requirement taken care of, you want the widest options you can get. So I'm going to have you choose all departments. And to do that, click on the first one, and then hold down your shift key, scroll to the bottom with your shift key still down, click again, and wow, they're all marked. All right, I'm gonna go, I want a 3 credit hour class, and then I'm gonna attribute type, I'm gonna look for boundary crossing classes. Especially if you're just looking to satisfy this requirement, you're just gonna look for boundary crossing because there are no prerequisites to these classes. There are no expected experience necessary to take them. And do a class search, and there they are. And look, there is a ton of them for spring term. They go on and on and on. Now, if you are only interested, for example, in certain areas, if you really don't want to take Arabic or academic development or accounting, don't like A's, for example, maybe you're a science person. So click outside of this, and let's start with the sciences. Say, wow, biology, that's cool. Now to click another one at the same time, you're going to hold down your your command key or your control key if you have a PC, and select by clicking. Hold that down all this time and click. Look at all the geeky courses I'm clicking on here. Environmental science, anything with science in it, any idea of science. All right, and I can go down again with those. Maybe I want to learn discipline specific this time because I'm a science person. I think I probably have the prerequisites, and there they are. So that's another way to select them. If you have any questions, let me know. At t-sherman, SCHERMAN at neiu.edu. And good luck finding courses for this term.